If I get money for here, we'll call the hungry. What you can't consign me? Now your money.
Mommy, I don't hungry. Oh.
You the hungry food not the house.
See, food not the sleep.
Make it empty. Now whether you they come out, you not see am.
Okay, that means if did not come, no go chop food this. No go chop food this.
You know, cause this money I dey save am. I won't go use am buy one hair when I say I dey save am small.
Your children they hungry, they save money when we still go buy hair.
That one wear am. If I wear am, it go fit me well.
If daddy come back, I go tell her the place for the save money.
I no go keep her for there again. You no go ever see am.